Many Medicare-eligible people report getting a high number of Medicare calls. Robocalls now make up 50% of all calls placed in the United States. I'll show you the simple tricks to finally say goodbye or to reduce those annoying Medicare calls for good. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about a common annoyance that many of us face daily, those never-ending Medicare-related calls. Can you relate to the frustration of constantly being bombarded by these calls? Now, let's address the problem at hand. These Medicare calls not only disrupt our daily lives but also pose a serious annoyance. Imagine being in the middle of an important task or spending quality time with your loved ones, only to be interrupted by yet another unwanted call. It's a nuisance that many of us can do without. So, why do these calls keep coming? Well, scammers often use these tactics to deceive individuals and gather personal information. These calls can have a significant impact on individuals, causing stress and anxiety. It's time to take action and reclaim our peace of mind. But here's the good news. There are simple steps you can take to stop or reduce these Medicare calls once and for all. Stay tuned as I reveal effective strategies that you can implement to put an end to this constant annoyance. The first thing to do is add your telephone number to the Do Not Call registry. To do so, call 888-382-1222. Be sure to call from the telephone number you want to add to the list. Make sure to register your landline and cell phone number. You can also install call blocking apps on your cell phone or VoIP phone lines. Many new cell phones have built-in spam and robocall protection. Next, if you receive calls misleading or fraudulent calls or calls about Medicare Advantage or prescription drug plans and you did not initiate the call, you can report it to Medicare. Call 1-800-MEDICARE, 1-800-633-4227. TTY users can call 1-877-486-2048. The most important thing you can do to stop robocalls is not answer any unknown numbers. If you answer a robocall, you'll be put onto a VIP list of people that the scammers know are more likely to pick up. In conclusion, it's essential to address the issue of Medicare calls and take proactive steps to stop them. We deserve to have a peaceful and uninterrupted day, free from these unwanted disturbances. Remember, by taking action, you can make a difference in reducing the frequency of these calls. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to share your own experiences with Medicare calls in the comments below. Let's support each other and share valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks on how to navigate through life's challenges. Together, we can make a positive change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.